Okay, we're going to take a look at the isolate command. So the isolate command is on the layer properties toolbar or palette in the home ribbon. So go to the home ribbon and in the layers palette you want to look for the isolate command. Pick that and then go and isolate a layer. First we're going to isolate this exterior wall. So you can see that the exterior wall is the only layer that's visible, and this allows you to see if there are any mistakes. So unisolate and we'll isolate something else, and this time we'll isolate the door. And now we can see that there's a mistake. So something was done wrong. So we have the interior wall, we're going to unisolate. We're going to hover over the door, and it is on the interior wall layer. So what probably happened is that door was inserted while we were on the interior wall layer. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pick that door and change its layer to the proper layer, which is door. And then we're going to match properties, and we're going to change all of these doors to the correct layer. I think we got them all. So now we can isolate the door, and there's all the doors, and if you zoom out, now we see the second floor doors. Well, we shouldn't see the second floor doors. Let's take a look at what they're on, and they are on the two-door layer. What probably happened there is it was inserted while we were on the first door layer, and then we changed it. What we have to do is redefine that block to bring it in on that second floor. So I'm going to change the layer to two-door, which is the layer for the second floor, and we're going to insert that block. So we redefine it. So it's asking us, do we want to redefine this? Yes, we do want to redefine it. Now, we don't have to do anything more. It's redefined the block. I don't have to place it. So I'm just going to hit enter, and I'm going to hit escape. So now if I go back to home, unisolate, all the layers are there. This says that it is on layer door or two door. So I'm going to isolate and see if it worked. Well, it did work, and now we have one more problem. This is not on the two door layer. I'm just going to put it on two wall for now. So now we've got pretty much this drawing is cleaned up. I can go through and isolate again any object and make sure that there are no errant objects on that layer. The only thing I want to see on this is anything that is referenced to the to plumb fix layer. I can do the same thing with the appliances. Now, this is not an appliance, that's a piece of furniture, so I can move this to a furniture layer if I had one set up. I'm not going to set it up right now, but this is where you find things that are in air. This is not an appliance, it's a piece of furniture. It should be on a furniture layer. So that's how we check and make sure that things are on the right layer. And thank you, that was layer isolate command.